here is how we can upload videos to Onedrive from the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it would work. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and guides like this one. So you, just like all the time, you want to have the app installed and have it ready with your Microsoft account. So go through that setup process if you haven't already. And then you can inside the app and you can see we have the photos and files section, but you have always the ability to tap the plus button below. When you tap plus, then click on upload, right? So you have the upload button right there. You can pick the photos and videos or browse, right? So you can go and pick it like this. And when you open up the photos, it just pulls up the gallery of your images, right? So you can see every single photo and video you have stored, so you can even filter it by different categories or whatever. But once you have the thing that, once you see the video you want to upload, just click on it, of course, confirm it, and the uploading is going to begin. So you just need to make sure you have enough storage available on the cloud. And the thing is that if you upload photos and videos, these are going to show up in the photos section, whereas different file types are going to appear in the files section, so like documents or spreadsheets are in here and the photos are right there. So that is just how it works. That's how you can upload videos, not really a huge deal, right? You can as well just open up the video and then download it back to your device or delete it, manage it, do whatever you gotta do, but that's the principle, the way that it works. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you have some further questions about this. I hope I could assist you, but for now that's it, and I hope to catch you later in future videos as well.